guys, this is my first YouTube video and I'm going to be showing you everything I made for my American Girl dolls. And just so you know, this is my first YouTube video, but so you know, I will be doing a bunch of cool videos like how to make American Girl doll stuff, everything like that. So yeah, I'm just going to show you all my American Girl doll stuff I made to get used to like what I make and everything like. So yeah. Starting off, I made this outfit. I made the headband for her, the top, and this is not a one piece, the little skirt, and then her little bag, and there is some stuff that I made in here, and I'll show you. This is everything that comes in the bag I made. I made all the stuff. This is a little book. It does not open, and this is a bookmark my friend made for me. This is a Taylor Swift CD, and when you open it, there's actually a little CD, but it can't come out. This was supposed to be a hair magazine for the dolls, but like, yeah. And then this is just another book. And here's the bag itself that I made. Next, I made these shoes to match the outfit. They're kind of unicorn shoes with a little unicorn like horn on there. So yeah. And that's the whole outfit I made for the doll. Next, I made this backpack. This was my own idea. Well, so was that. But this is a Velcro and everything. You can open it. There's just a little hair bow in there. And then it has like the sides, and you get to pick 2 colors, and the straps for the dolls. This one got bent a little. But the straps where the dolls can wear the backpack. So that. And I also have one, a backpack in pink and yellow. Next, I made these little flashcards, and these are supposed to be for school, and they're in a little baggie, and they're like 5x3, like the times tables, and they can come out. Next, I made this eyeshadow palette, and it just says makeup with like some stuff on the front, and then it has all the eyeshadow colors you can pick from. Next, I made these Easter baskets for the dolls. Easter just like passed, so I had them out on the table, and I decided I would show them to you guys. And they're super cute, and I'm going to show you what comes in them. In the Easter basket is a little egg, and then it has on the Easter basket one of my dolls' names. And by the way, that is Emma. These are some peeps I made. This is confetti. I thought I would put in the Easter basket, and 3 jumbo cookies. And that is for every one of my American Girl doll Easter baskets. That's in every one. All those stuff is in every Easter basket for my dolls. Then I made these like towels for them when they first come out of the shower or the pool. And these are really simple to make. You just cut a little like square out of like your old towel. So yeah. Next, I made this piano, and as you can see, all the little keys and everything, and the piano itself. I didn't color the bottom, and it still needs a little bit of touch-ups. But yeah, that's the piano I made for them. And then, like a pretty long time ago, I made these drinks, like slushy things, and I cut like the straw, and I put puppy paint in there, and it kind of made like a little slushy drink. That's very cute for them. Next, I made this sleep mask, and I got this idea from one day I was at my friend's party, and they had a sleep mask there, and I made one for myself, so I just decided to use leftover fabric to make one for my dolls, and it fits them perfectly. So that is probably everything I made for my dolls, because I didn't want this video to be too long. And I probably might have missed some stuff, but I will show you them in another video. So yeah, make sure to like and subscribe. Bye.